Mechanical engineering is a discipline with very broad applicability. At its core, we're using the mechanics of solid and fluid systems in combinations and more complex systems to solve problems.
I picked mechanical engineering because I always enjoyed solving problems. I loved physics, I loved maths, but I didn't like just sitting in the classroom and learning about them. I liked using them, applying them to real life. So I decided to study at UCD because they offer the most streams. You get to try sort of everything. Even now in final year, I'm doing a bit of everything. I'm not stuck all in one subject area. I really enjoy aerodynamics right now, but later on in my career, I might want to change my mind and I'll still have those good foundations to come back to.
Early on in the student studies, they cover issues of basic science, mathematics, and some of the fundamental concepts behind our discipline. As people progress through the programs, they start taking modules and subjects like fluid mechanics, solid mechanics, material science and engineering, etc. at increasingly advanced levels. And then ultimately, you can choose whether you want to go into systems engineering or mechanical engineering or materials engineering or a whole wide range of different disciplines.
There's a really cool project called the Horizons where you get to take electives outside your subject area. So obviously I'm studying engineering, but through those electives I got to follow like my other passions. So French, astronomy, I did some coding and stuff as well, but I'm really glad that I kept up the French because I worked really hard on it when I was in secondary school and I really enjoyed it. I'm glad I got to keep it up while I was in UCD.
It can be daunting for students to come to university for the first time and potentially live away from home. We have lots of support structures within the school, from lecturers to mentors. There's the peer support structure, and indeed at college level we have student advisors.
I think I'll always remember just the people. People in engineering are so nice. When I sat down on my first day in lectures, anybody I turned to was open to talking, and it kind of goes into all areas of the university. So like the clubs, the societies, the sports. It's just a nice environment to be in. It's really friendly. The internship experience was one of the big things that attracted me to UCD. I thought it was really important that you'd get to go out into industry and apply what you'd learned to the real world. So I went into a company called Logitech and I was doing a lot of design work there, making new products, sketching, coming up with new ideas, brainstorming, working in a big team. Coming
through our disciplines, you have the opportunity to go into things like the manufacturing industry, aerospace industry, the space industry, automotive. We deal with issues such as sustainability and energy usage, which are core to future technological development and quality of life.
At the minute, I'm looking outside Ireland. If I go into maybe F1, hopefully, that would be based around England and traveling around the world. If I go into the design space, I'm kind of looking at South Korea at the minute. There's other options as well. If I do maybe aerospace, I could go to France and use my French as well.
My main advice to students undertaking our program would be to keep an open mind at the start, keep an ear open and listen to the full range of different disciplines and careers that can come out of a program in mechanical engineering.